Yeah. I said I feel invisible. They like, Poppy, what you getting to? I pop a perk or retarded. Wait. Yeah. I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't keep going. It's 85 just to walk through. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I'm feeling horny, and I shoot like Robert Horry. I'm off this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give her this percolated dick. I show her this percolated tricks. Possible, they know who in the city. Possible, nigga, you can ask Diddy. Possible, press up a city or titty. Possible, going 50 for 50. I pop a perk or retorted this shit at the party and change the artillery. Energy, I'm giving nothing but energy.